This is my Kingsteam facial steamer. Let me turn it on. There's two functions here, the steam function and the ozone function. The steam is just regular steam and the ozone just thickens the steam a bit. I just turned it on and it's heating up quite quickly because it was already on earlier. But once you do turn one of those two buttons on, it takes about 5 to 7 minutes for the steam to start coming out. And then to fill in the water, all you do is open up this little gasket here. I'm not gonna open it now because the steam's running, but there's a little hole for you to put your water in here. And on the sides, it'll tell you the minimum and maximum that you can put in to fill up the steamer here. This does get very hot, so don't touch this. This is why this protective little layer is on the outside. So that's kind of a nice feature. The other thing is, right now, the steam is coming from the bottom, from right here. So if I was laying down doing my facial steaming, this would be super convenient. But what you can do is turn this over so that the steam is coming from the top. So that's an option from here too, if you want to do this standing up or however you like to steam your face. Another thing that's great about this is you can add essential oils to your steam in the little gasket, which is super nice if you want some lavender or eucalyptus for your skin. And the other thing is, I would say this is a little bit big, but you can take this part off of it, this whole tube part, you can take this off for easier storage and just connect it when you're using it. So ladies, take care of your skin. I recommend this product, and gentlemen too. It's all important. So yeah, I really like this and I think that you will too.